eat the baking soda.
Yeah, wait your turn.
Oh, give me the baking soda.
Next is Elmer's plate.
Give me.
We gotta share.
There we go.
Why are we quiet? We need to talk about life.
Okay. Next is Elmer's blue.
Okay, that means you need my help.
We need Daddy. Yeah, we're sorry about Uncle Shane.
We're sorry about that.
We need Uncle Shane.
We need Uncle Shane or Shane.
I call going first.
1/4, 2/4, 3/4 cup.
The mix. That's a lot of lean. The camera saw me do that. Okay, you can't see what I did, but the camera.
By the way, guys, I want you to like and subscribe.
You can't see what I did.
Thumbs up.
You can't see what I did, but the camera saw.
The first time, so it's a little weird. Next is shaving cream.
Daddy, the camera saw me do something weird.
We'll have to edit that out.
No.
Son, you're our uncle.
Heavy.
They're weird.
Okay. We like shaving
No,
cream.
not yet. Gotta mix all
Oh,
this
I
up
did
first.
it.
Get this mix good.
Not the big one. Not yet. I'll use the big one.
Coming together.
Whoa.
Guys.
Look at mine.
Keep
Look at
doing
mine.
it. Go. Mix it.
Oh yeah. Mine's getting thick. Next same time. Next same time.
It's some shaving cream.
Come on. You have to mix it more, Jane. YouTube family.
No, don't subscribe to that YouTube family. Subscribe to us.
So it's their opinion, people. I mean, their opinion. Okay, I think I'm done.
You gotta like our channel.
So I'm gonna mix this real good.
Stop,
Jay. Mix this real good.
Oh, okay. How much shaving cream do you need?
Shaving cream now. Dude, I go first. That much?
You need 3 cups of shaving cream. So keep going. Here, let me help you here.
Tell them when to stop.
Here, let me do it.
Wait, look at the camera.
Yeah, when you do it, you gotta shake it up like this.
Subscribe
And then you go like,
down in the
hold it
description
straight
and
up,
thumbs up.
see? And then you spray it in there. like
Also, watch the Edie family.
that.
What's
Now we're gonna
Edie?
just need to
That's
go with
what I
just
wanna
that.
do this.
Isaac,
Yeah?
here we go. Scoot over just a little bit. Now hold it like this and just spray some in there.
Daddy, can you do mine? I mean, Uncle.
Hold it straight up.
Daddy, can you do mine?
Yep. All right, that's good. That's enough. Okay.
Daddy, do mine like little whipped cream. Whipped cream.
As you can scroll, you can't see it, but it's really like, it is like
That's enough.
9.
Whoa, my leaning tower.
Oh, for us, 9.
It's coming so plumpy. Camera. I don't
Okay.
know what I'm doing anymore. Me either. What's the meaning of life?
Okay.
All right, mix it really good.
Time for the saline solution.
Do
Nope.
it. You're too
You gotta mix it really good. That's gotta get really mixed up.
They bring the flowers. Oh, it's getting
Okay, mine's done.
No, it's not.
Mine's about done.
I watched Just Joined at 33 and All Around Audrey. Let's go. It smells like glue and water. Dude, you're not letting me see my
Okay, we're done.
I'm not. You're not either.
Gotta mix it all from the sides.
Let's take a look at it. Should look like really creamy,
Yeah,
fluffy.
Daddy,
This is
does it
good.
look creamy? My arms
looks
are
pretty
starting
good.
to hurt, guys.
And then you're gonna have to step up.
No, Bella.
Okay. Stop
I got more than you. 2 at a time. Dude, I got more.
Okay, we're done. It's time for the saline solution.
Nope.
What?
Yeah, we're
Now-
gonna make this video long.
It is food coloring.
Food coloring.
Wait, food coloring's at the end.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's
No, that's number 5.
Well, I don't know if it's number 5 or not. What?
Saline solution.
Bella, you're
Do
here.
we? Is food coloring at the end?
No.
It's a
All right,
It's okay.
we have our first
Okay, what's next?
First mess up.
first casualty.
Yeah, this is normal. This is totally normal. I meant to do that.
Okay, well, what's next?
I'm putting like this is fine.
Mine's
All right, so let's make sure this is really.
Okay, what's next?
Isn't that creamy?
I think it is food coloring.
Yeah.
Don't you see, Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
It should look like marshmallow cream, I would say.
Doesn't that look like
Mine does.
All right. So go ahead and put your color in there,
I
Bella,
don't want
and
these.
I'll stir it.
I don't want these.
Okay. You're making orange.
No, it makes peach, Daddy.
Okay.
No, it makes orange.
It makes peach.
It does.
Sherbet color. How about that? Sherbet.
Okay. We're gonna do these like one by one. Okay.
Yeah, so you guys are gonna have a long time to wait.
That
All
is
right.
orange, Bella.
Can you take this
Okay. You can
out?
stir this up some more.
No.
What do you want to do?
Doesn't it make that peach color of your slime?
What do you want to do, Isaac?
I want to do light blue.
Okay. Go ahead.
Basically just blue?
Let me stir it for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold that bowl for me.
I love different colors, Jace. What color are you doing?
I like mine.
You want a little bit more blue?
His
or
is
what you want?
baby blue. Ooh, baby
Okay.
blue.
That's all I
Hold
want.
it
Jace
up.
can be dark blue.
That's all you want.
Yeah. Jace is gonna be dark blue, I guess.
Oh!
No.
Your armpit is
look.
on my face.
So is that light blue enough?
Yeah. Creamy
Okay, guys.
Spin it.
Look, it has
All right.
I make a purple, casual purple.
I love
What
it.
colors make purple?
Do you like
Red and blue.
Red and blue makes purple.
Guys, do you
Yeah.
like my mess up? It was fine. Okay.
Okay, we'll have to see that in a second, Bella. We're on Jace's camera.
Wow.
Here, I will
Okay,
turn it.
now it's
Oh.
Yes. What is she doing?
Be purple, please.
That looks like orange.
This is orange, Isaac.
Okay, we need toilet
That is
paper.
kinda purple.
Thank. Hey.
What about me?
That's enough.
No.
You guys can just hear us talking.
I'm
Oh my gosh.
Jake!
Yay, purple.
You know that's not gonna come off this. It's a dark purple.
That's baby blue.
Oh, wow, that's cute.
More, let's do more red.
I think mine is better.
Girl!
That's enough. No more. No more, Jace.
Jason's gonna turn into like blue.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
Oh, there's a purple!
Wait.
All right, now the next thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna kind of put, really it says 1.5 teaspoons, or 1 tablespoon, 2, so one of those, and you need to,
The whole entire thing.
Yours is not even get good.
Oh, Jay!
Look, it's just white. It looks
Like this, Daddy? This?
one of those,
Bella, give me the
One.
thing.
and then 1.5, and then a
that'll
half.
turn into slime. Right? It's
Okay.
saline
You
slime.
better stir it, Bella.
Start stirring.
You better
Start
stir it.
And it's going to turn into slime.
Okay, my turn.
I got it on my finger. I'm going to go wash my hands.
Okay, that's that going.
Guys, it's getting together.
That going. Is that going? One little more. That going?
Yep, is that all the way full?
I need more saline solution.
Okay, and then you do half of that.
I need
Keep
more
going, Bella, keep stirring. All right, hold the bowl for me.
Okay, is that enough?
Yeah.
Yep, start stirring.
I need more.
No, you don't.
Oh, look at Bella's.
Can I have more, Daddy?
No, I need you to hold the bowl. If you don't hold the bowl, it's
Twirling.
Oh, it looks really good.
okay. Here, get that off of there. We're gonna have to pull it off. You can get icky. Let's get the big stir.
A little bit of saline solution, Daddy.
Okay, hold on. Stir it.
Daddy, is this enough? Daddy, is this enough?
Yes, that's enough, Jace.
Look, Daddy.
Just keep on spinning it. Yeah, that's
Ow,
enough.
this hurts.
Daddy, don't I need more solution?
Oh, look.
Maybe a
look
little
what
bit
it's
more.
doing.
Okay, Isaac, can you hand me that
Wow.
solution?
I'm kind of stirring right now.
Yeah, he's stirring right now.
Can
Daddy,
somebody?
stop
Yep,
stirring.
I'll help you. So hold
Stop
on.
stirring for a second.
Oh, look
Hold
how
on.
stretchy
Yeah.
mine is.
Mine's stretchy.
No, it's not. Look.
All right. Let me help you here. All right, Jace, did you get yours in?
There's only one.
Daddy, help me.
All right, hold on, baby.
How do you do this?
You gotta have some muscles.
I'm not strong.
That's
Here you
enough.
go, Isaac, keep going. Sometimes you gotta put a little extra of that in there.
My arm. Can I take this off?
Yeah, take it off.
Can I just-
And if you need to, yeah, just do it like this. Just go like this.
Oh, yay.
There you
My
go.
slime.
Just do that. Get your hands dirty.
Yay. Can we get a table? Can we
Guys.
Not yet. Just gotta keep rolling around in there.
Where do I place these down?
That's
That
good
was
right there.
good.
Just keep rolling. Need it. Yeah. Put your things right in there.
Oh.
Just get there. Get your hands dirty there, buddy. Start just scrunching it together.
Me?
In the bowl, Isaac, just go around and around. There you go. Put some more of that in there. That'll hold it. Oh, you okay?
Here.
Let's go.
I can't
Right
see.
now.
Here you go.
Here, let's get this off and now get your hands in there.
Yeah, get my hand.
Now just
Mine
start
is getting
scrunching it around.
really stinky. Oh my gosh.
Keep going.
Oh my gosh, I got my hands.
This is the best time I ever had here.
Yeah, especially with me.
All right, let me show you. Put it down here and let's do this some more. Let's do some more mixing.
I want more slime.
This.
Whoa. Guys, I'm going to do the instant swirl after I start playing with it more.
Yeah, I need to play with mine.
Because
more.
my last slime was a total fail. Because I didn't
All
play
right,
with it.
Isaac,
Yeah?
let's get some more of this saline. That one is more of yours.
Oh, mine's
Uh-oh.
sticky.
This, oh, sorry.
Since you can't see barely, you need to see me more, right?
No, everybody can see you. Cameras are right.
Yes, sure.
Bella.
Okay, we got it.
Okay,
Can
can
I
I
say
have it for
something?
these people?
Yep, you go play with it now.
Oh, this is hard.
Yep, keep doing it.
Slap party!
All right, Bella, get out of the camera.
Wait, guys, look.
Okay.
Look how much I got.
Come on, Bella,
This
let's get
is
this still
so
sticky.
much fluffy.
Let's put
It's
some more
not
in.
sticky.
Let me see. Yeah, it's a little sticky.
Do you
Oh,
have
it's
any
good.
lotion that we
Daddy,
can
I
make it
have-
stretchy? Do we have any
Whoa.
lotion that we can make it stretchy?
Yeah, that's enough.
Any lotion we can make it
Yeah, we can do that.
Bella.
I have lotion, I'll get it.
Ew! Mine's fluffy, like really fluffy. I put too much shaving cream.
It's all right.
Man, I feel like
All right, so let's see what they look like. Let's see how they're turning out here.
Wait.
Okay, so here's mine. It's baby blue, and it's very fluffy.
Look,
The
guys.
cookie test
Wait.
not so good. Let's do a swirl test. Okay, it's kind of too fluffy to do swirl test.
Wow, Jace, that's awesome. Do
So
that again, Jace.
go to Jace.
Jace is making some pizza.
Pizzeria.
Oh man.
Pizzeria.
Wait, I was like, let me get
It's
this
kind of
bowl.
hard to get
This
off.
bowl is the master. This bowl right here, he's the master at pizza.
Oh!
This is the best day I had in my life. Let's go crazy.
That was
Oh,
the best cousins challenge. So let's
jump roll.
If you are, what's my favorite color? What's my favorite color?
I'm about to do the swirl.
We're doing the
Okay.
we're doing the cousins challenge. So you have to guess what they like. What's my favorite color?
Purple.
Yes.
What's my favorite color? Green. Baby blue.
It's blue.
What's my favorite color?